Hello students, in the previous class we learned some formulas on algebraic identities. Those are a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b into a minus b, like that. Right? Today we are going to do some more some problems on the algebraic identities. Let us suppose expand expand 2x plus 3y whole square. Right? 2x plus 3y whole square. We can find this expansion by using the formula and at the same time product also. See, first one, 2x plus 3y whole square can be written as 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y, isn't it? 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. Now you multiply like this: first term to first term, first term to second term, second term to first term, and second term to second term. Like this we can multiply. See again, first term to first term, first term to second term, second term to first term, second term to second term. So that is 2x into 2x. Here the symbol or the sign of 2x is plus. So plus into plus, plus 2x into 3y, plus into plus, plus 3y into 2x, plus into plus, plus 3y into 3y, 3y into 3y. Now 2x into 2x, 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square, plus 2 3s are 6, x into y, xy, plus 3 2s are 6, y into y, y into x, yx or xy, plus 3 3s are 9, y into y, y square. Now 4x square plus 6xy plus 6xy, 12xy plus 9y square. Right? The same problem we can find like this also by using the formula. That is 2x plus 3y whole square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, where a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? Now a square, instead of a what we have? 2x. So that is a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. A is equal to 2x, b is equal to 3y. Now a square is nothing but 2x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a. What is a? 2x into b, 3y, plus b square, 3y whole square. Right? Now 2x whole square. So 2x whole square is nothing but 2x into 2x. So 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. So that is 4x square plus, now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 x into y, xy, plus 3y square. 3y square means 3y into 3y. 3 3s are 9, y into y, y square. So that is 9y square. So like this we can expand the given problem. Okay. Next one, in the same way, another problem. Expand 4 x square y plus 9y square x whole square. Right? Expand 4x square y plus 9y square x whole square. Using the formula. Using the formula. That is, using the formula, it is mentioned. So, by using the formula only we can find. Right? Now, this is in the form of, this is the first term and this is the second term. In between, there is a symbol that is plus. So, let us suppose this is A and this is B. So, A plus B. So, A plus B whole square. Now, this is in the form of A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, where A is equal to 4x square y and B is equal to 9xy square. 9y square x is nothing but 9xy square also. Now first A square. A square is 4x square y whole square plus 2AB, 2 into A, that is 4x square y into B, 9xy square plus B square, 9xy square whole square. Now first one, 4x square y whole square. So A square. So A square can be written as A into A, or otherwise expand directly we can write it. Okay. So 4 square is 16. X square whole square is x to the power of 4. Y whole square is y square. Plus multiply the numerals. That is 2 4s are 8. 8 9s are 72. Next, x square into x, that is x cube. Y into y square, y cube, plus 9xy square whole square, that is 9 square is 81, x whole square is x square, y square whole square is y to the power of 4. Like this we can expand. Okay. Next one. Expand 4x square plus 1 by 9y square whole square. Expand 4x square plus 1 by 9y square whole square. Now this is in the form of a plus b. So a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square. A is 4x square. So 4x square whole square plus 2 into a 4x square into b 1 by 9y square plus b square is 1 by 9y square whole square. Now 4x square whole square can be written as 4x square into 4x square. So 2 times we have to write, plus 2 into 4 into 1 by 9 into, so these are numerals to numerals and variables to variables now. X square into 1 by y square plus 1 by 9y square into 1 by 9y square. Like this also we can write. Now 4x square into 4x square. 4 4s are 16. X square into x square is x to the power of 4 plus 2 4s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 by 9. X square into 1 by y square. So that is x square into 1 is x square by y square. So totally we can write this one as 8x square by 9y square. 8x square by 9y square plus 1 into 1 1 by 9 nines are 81, y square into y square, y to the power of 4. So like this we can expand. Next one, 4x minus 3y whole square. Expand 4x minus 3y whole square. So in between these two there is a symbol minus. So that is, let the first term be a and second term be b, and so a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 4x and b is equal to 3y. So substitute here, that is 4x whole square minus 2 into a 4x into b 3y plus b square 3y whole square. 4x whole square is 4 4 are 16, x whole square is x square minus 2 4 are 8 3 are 24, xy plus 9 3y whole square is 9y square. So the expansion of 4x minus 3y whole square is 16x square minus 24xy plus 9y square. Next, another question. Expand 4x square y minus 3x y square whole square. Right? Now let the first term be a and second term be b, between symbol minus, so a minus b whole square. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 4x square y and b is equal to 3xy square. Substitute here 4x square y whole square minus 2 into 4x square y into b 3x y square plus b square 3x y square whole square. There is no need to write the minus symbol here. Okay? So because we are substituting the values of a and b directly. Now 4x square whole square, 4x square y whole square is 4 into 4, 16, x square into x square, x to the power of 4, y whole square is y square, minus 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24, x square into x, x cube, y into y square, y cube, plus 3xy square whole square. So 3 square, 9, x whole square is x square, y square whole square is y to the power of 4. Right? The expansion of 4x square y minus 3xy square whole square is 16x to the power of 4y square minus 24x cube y cube plus 9x square y to the power of 4. Next one. Expand 4x minus 1 by 4y whole square. Expand 4x minus 1 by 4y whole square. Now the first term is a and second term is b, so that is 1 by 4y. Now a minus b whole square. This is in the given problem is in the form of a minus b whole square, where a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Substitute the values. Now a square 4x whole square minus 2 into a 4x into b 1 by 4y plus b square 1 by 4y whole square. 4x whole square is 4 square is 16, x whole square is x square minus Here 4 gets cancelled. 2 into x, 2x into 1, 2x by y plus 1 by 4y whole square is in the form of a by b whole to the power of m. A by b whole to the power of m is a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So a to the power of m is 1 whole square, that is 1, by b to the power of m is 4y whole square, is 4y whole square, that is 16y square. Okay? Next question. Find the value of x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. Find the value of x plus 1 by x into 1 x minus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. Here the first two terms, these two terms are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. This is the formula. Okay. See here, suppose a plus b into a minus b. So general multiplication. First term to first term, first term to second term to first term, second term to second term. So whenever we are multiplying, we have to find the product of the symbols also. Okay. So here a into a square plus a into minus b, minus ab plus b into a plus ba or ab plus into minus, minus b into b is b square. So minus ab plus ab gets cancelled, a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. In the same way, x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So that is a square minus b square. So now we write this value. A square is x whole square or x square minus b square is 1 by x square into, this is the value of the first two terms. Next two terms, x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is x square whole square minus 1 by x square whole square. Right? Now x square minus 1 by x square into a square minus b square, so that is a whole square minus 1 by x square whole square, that is x to the power of 4 minus 1 by x to the power of 4. Again we have to multiply these two. So how to multiply? These two are not in the form of a plus b into a minus b, because the first term is in terms of power 2 and the second term is in terms of power 4. So we cannot multiply by using the formula. So that's why we have to multiply individually. So now first term to first term, next first term to second term, next second term to first term, and second term to second term. Like this we have to multiply. Okay. Now x square into x to the power of 4, x square into x to the power of 4. The symbol is plus into plus, plus. Next, plus into first term to second term, plus into minus, minus. X square into 1 by x to the power of 4. Next, second term to first term. Here symbol minus, minus, minus into plus, minus 1 by x square into x to the power of 4. Minus into minus, second term to second term, minus into minus, plus 1 by x square into 1 by x to the power of 4. Now x square into x to the power of 4 is, when bases are equal, add the powers. So x square into x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 6 minus here x square into 1 by x to the power of 4. So here how many x terms? 2x terms. Denominator 4x terms. So 2x terms gets cancelled. So remainder 2x terms. So this can be written as 1 by x square minus 1 by x square into x to the power of 4. Here numerator is having 4x terms and denominator is having 2x terms. So out of 4x terms, 2 terms gets cancelled. So remainder is 2x terms. So that is x square plus 1 into 1 by x square into x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 6. So this is the product. Okay. So x to the power of 6 plus 1 by x to the power of 6, 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. So like this we can find the product. Find the value of n plus 1 by n into n minus 1 by n into n square plus 1 by n square at n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4. Okay? n is equal to 4, 3, 7 like that. Anyone we can take. Now n plus 1 by n into n minus 1 by n. The first two terms are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So that is a square minus b square. a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is here n square minus b square is 1, b is 1 by n, b square is 1 by n whole square, that is 1 by n square into next term n square plus 1 by n square. Now n square minus 1 by n square into n square plus 1 by n square. These two are in the form of a plus b into a minus b again. So a square minus b square. Here a square is n square whole square minus 1 by n square whole square. So that is equal to n square whole square is n to the power of 4 minus 1 by n to the power of 4. Okay. So where n is here, this is the final value. Next, what is when at n is equal to 4? At n is equal to 4. So 4 to the power of 4 minus 1 by 4 to the power of 4. Now what is the LCM here? 4 to the power of 4 is LCM. 4 to the power of 4 in one time, 4 to the power of 4 times. So 4 to the power of 4 into 4 to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 4 into 4 to the power of 4 one time, 1 into 1 is 1. Now 4 to the power of 4 into 4 to the power of 4, bases are equal, add the powers. So 4 to the power of 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 1 by 4 to the power of 4. So this is the final value. Like this we have to find, or we can expand this 4 to the power of 8. How many times 4? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 and so on 8 times. Okay. Thank you.